Alright, welcome back to a video of Davian's collection of VHS, DVDs, games, and more. Today we're going to be doing a drop test on Curious George and a bike ride adventure. It does not work, it is useless, so we're going to be doing a drop test on it. The weather is hot, so that's why I'm in this area. Starting with the backdrop, waist height in 3, 2, 1. It landed on the side, landed on the face. That's perfect. If it does not survive, we're going to go ahead and smash the crap out of it. Got a scratch right here. You got some more scratches right here. On the front. Same. Starting with the side drop, waist height, hard drop in 3, 2, 1. It landed on its face. This one has already failed the drop test, which took some delamination right here. So since it does not survive the drop test, we're going to go ahead and smash the crap out of it. Let's do this in 3, 2, 1. No more damage. Let's do this again in 3, 2, 1. We got some more cracks and delamination. So this thing is completely destroyed. And it broke into smithereens as well. Now that's going to do me with the drop test of Curious George Bike Ride Adventure on DVD. This is Davian's collection of VHS, DVDs, games, and more. Thanks for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you again in my next video.